Welcome to Lighthouse Family Crafts. I'm Beth Lighthouse. Today I want to show you a few projects we've been working on around the house. As you can see, I finished this headband just in time for the snow. And we are getting more snow, and I'm so thankful. It's so wonderful to be getting all this snow. I'm definitely not sick of it yet because we haven't had enough of it yet. So yeah, I want to make more headbands like this. I have a lot more colors and designs in mind, so keep your eyes out for that. I might be putting some in the shop, and like everything I do, it could take a while. But I would definitely like to do that. It's all wool and it's double layered, and it took me a little bit longer than I expected it to, but it should be worth it because of the warmth.
Okay, so I have this paneled pipe here. If you can see that. And I just have to do a few more touch-ups.
All right.
Can you see it?
So you did the stem with the bolts under too?
Got the stem down. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there's a little band of bog oak, which was drowned in a flood 5,000 years ago. And yeah.
That's going to be very nice. That's going to be very nice. I really like the shape.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Super cool.
That's it. On to the refining stage.
Yeah.
Go in past the split parts.
Well, that was fast.
There it is.
Nice.
It'll get its color back after it's dried and stained or oiled. I will actually finish this with Hisui ceramic for the cups, so there's no taste.
And you just made these bowls yesterday?
Those are yesterday's bowls. There's another cup hiding in the shavings.
Good. Yeah.
Tomorrow's pipe.
Tomorrow's pipe.
Actually, I will work on it today.
So this is a sweater I've been working on, and I have been knitting for almost 20 years, and I've made socks and things, but I've never tried a sweater. So this is the sleeve. This is going to be the first sleeve of my sweater. And I had a couple books I was looking at, but and I got to get an idea, but then I kind of ditched the patterns and kind of did my own thing. So we'll see how that one works out. And then another thing I want to show you, so I set this up to get an idea, is this little, this is a plate, and it's meant to be like a china plate, but it's going to be primitive fire china plate. So this is like a experimental little china plate that I made from some clay that my kids and I found in a field near our house, and we processed it. My son was very interested in processing it, so he wanted to do that. So I just made slab, and I just laid it into another plate, and then I cut around it and formed it that way. And then I painted it with white slip, burnished it to make it shiny, and then painted it with the mineral paint. So it will be fired, primitive fire, when the weather gets good. As you can see, it's snowy out there, so we'll fire this when we get some good firing weather. And then, oh, lastly, here's my headband that I made. So yeah, I showed you that already. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. And don't forget to visit our website, lighthousefamilycrafts.com. Thanks for watching. Trying to get the snow falling down, but it's not really showing up.